Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo how to determine the perfect square number. And also, I'm going to discuss how to calculate the square root of a number. Just like for example, what is the square root of 361? That is equal to 19. So ipapaliwanag ko po yan lahat step by step mula po perfect square hanggang square root. Okay, so let's start. Ano nga ba ang perfect square number? At paano nga ba kino-compute yung square root of a perfect square number? First, ay papakilala ko po muna sa inyo the different perfect square numbers from 1 to 100 up to 400. Okay, so let's start with counting numbers. Ang counting number natin ay nag-uumpisa sa 1, 2, 3, and so on. So hanggang 10 po yung ating counting numbers dito. So yung counting numbers na ito ay i-square po natin. Okay? So when you say square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on until 10 square. So ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng square? Okay? Ang ibig sabihin po ng 1 square, that is 1 times 1. Yung 2 square, 2 times 2. Yung 3 square, 3 times 3. 4 square, 4 times 4. Until, okay, until 10 times 10 for 10 square. Okay, so yan po ang ibig sabihin ng square. So i-square natin, i-multiply natin yung number to itself. Okay? Now, we are going to get the product. What is 1 times 1? That is equal to 1. Here, 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Here, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64, hanggang 10 times 10, 100. At yung product po na ito na 1, 4, 9, 16 up to 100, ito po yung tinatawag na perfect square numbers. Okay? Bakit? Kasi galing po sila doon sa in-square natin na number. So 2 square is 4 until 10 square is equal to 100. Okay, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung different perfect square numbers na ito from 1 to 100. Okay, ito po yung counting numbers natin hanggang 100. Okay, mula 1 hanggang 100. At ilan po yung ating perfect square numbers from 1 to 100? Ito lang po yan sila. Okay, so yung 1, ito pong 1. Okay, bigyan ko po ng bilog. Next ay 4. Next ay 9, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, at 100. So may kulang po dyan, nabaktawan natin yung 16. Okay, ito lang po yung mga different perfect square numbers from 1 to 100. Galing po yan sila sa square of a number. Okay? Again, bakit 1? Because 1 times 1 is 1. Bakit 4? Because 2 squared is 4. Bakit 9? 3 times 3 is 9. 16, 4 times 4 hanggang 110 times 10. Okay? So those are the different square numbers or perfect square numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so balikan po natin yung presentation natin kanina. So those are the perfect square number. Now, how to get its square root of a perfect square number? Okay? So since ito po ay mga perfect square number, pag kinuha po natin yung kanyang square root, let us say this one, this is square root of 1. Okay? Kapag wala pong number dito sa taas ng ating square root or root, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay 2, that means square root. Okay? Kaya this is read as square root of 1, that is equal to 1. Pag sinabi natin square root of 1, babalik ka po yung number na in-square mo. Since 1 square is equal to 1, then square root of 1 is equal to 1 also. How about this one? Square root of 4. What is square root of 4? That is equal to 2. Because yung 2 ay in-square natin, 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 square, square root of 4 is equal to 2. Okay po ba? Okay, next. How about this one? Square root of 9, that is equal to 3. Okay? Kasi in-square natin yung 3. 3 square is 9. So square root of 9 is 3. Okay? And also, square root of 16 ay 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36, 6. Square root of 49, 7. Hanggang po, square root of 100 is equal to 10. So take note, galing din po ito dun sa in-square natin. Kaya ang reverse po niya ay square root. Okay? So those are the perfect square number and its square root from 1 to 100. Okay, so how about perfect square number greater than 100? So ituloy po natin, kanina po ay hanggang 10 lang. So 11 to 20 naman po ito. Counting numbers 11 to 20. So we are going to square those numbers. So 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, up to 20 square. Okay? So what is 11 square? That is equal to 121. 12 square, that is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to 169. 14 square is 196. 15 square is 225. 16 square is 256. 17 square is 289. Up to 20 square is equal to 400. So meaning to say, greater than 100 up to 400, ito po yung mga perfect square number. Okay? So kapag kinuha din po natin yung kanilang square root, ay babalik po dun sa in-square natin na number. For example, ito, square root of 121, natural, galing po dun sa 11 square. So the answer is equal to 11. Okay? And square root of 144, that is equal to 12. Square root of 169, 13. Square root of 196 ay 14. Hanggang kapag in-square root natin yan, ay babalik po tayo dito sa ating counting numbers. Okay? So, those are the perfect square numbers. Okay, I'm going to present to you using a figure. Okay, so we have one square unit here, one square unit. So, 1 po ang sides. Okay, tagwa 1 po yan kasi isa lang po yung ating square. How about this one? We have 2 and 2 here. Okay, so tagdalawa po yan. And then another one, another square with side 3 and another square with side 4. Okay, so kung kukunin po natin yung area ng different squares na ito, okay, ang area po ng isang square dito is 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. Okay? How about this one? What is its area? This is 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Okay? Or 1 po ang square dito. Dito po, how many squares? There are 4 squares. Here, how many squares? Okay, we have 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. And here, ilan po yung squares natin dito? So, 4 po dito, 4 din dito. So, 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. Okay? 16 squares. Okay, how about, I'm going to give you a different squares. Okay? We have 5 squares here. Makakabuo po ba tayo ng square dito? Isang square ang mabubuo natin out of 5 square units. Okay, so tingnan natin. So we have 4 at may isa pong butal dito. Okay, kahit saan po natin ilagay yung isang square na ito, hindi po tayo makakagawa ng square. Kagaya po nito. Okay? So hindi po tayo makakagawa out of 5 squares. Okay? How about here? Makakagawa po ba tayo ng square mula po dito sa different square na ito? So we have how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 square units here. Makakabuo po tayo ng isang square yan. Pag pinagdikit-dikit natin ito, try natin. Okay? So we have 3 here, 3. So ito po ay 9. Pang-10 po itong ating isang square dito. Okay, so kahit saan po natin ilagay itong nag-iisang square dito, ay hindi po tayo makakagawa ng isang malaking square. So how many squares po yan? There are 10. Okay? Kung i-compare natin, ito pong 1, 4, 9, 16, nakagawa po sila ng square. Again, ang tawag po dyan ay perfect square. Okay? So yung 1, 4, 9, 16 na nabanggit po kanina, those are perfect square number. At ito pong 5 at 10 na ito, since hindi po sila nakagawa ng isang square, kapag pinagtabi-tabi natin yung different small squares, then ang tawag po dyan ay not perfect square. Okay, so now we're going to apply our knowledge in finding the square root of a number. So find the square root of the following numbers. We have this one, number 1. Square root of 81. Is 81 a perfect square? Yes, that is a perfect square yung 81. So, i-present ko po dito. So, ang 81 po ay ito. Square root of 81 is equal to 9. Okay po ba? So, square root of 81, that is equal to 9. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? Square root of 25. So what is the square root of 25? Is 25 a perfect square? Tingnan natin. Okay, so ito po yung ating square root of 25. Galing po yan sa 5. Because 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So square root of 25, that is equal to 5. Okay, how about number 3? Square root of 144. So yung 144 ba, perfect square? Okay, tignan natin sa ating list. Okay, so 121, 144, so ibig sabihin, 144 is a perfect square number. Galing po yan kapag in-square natin yung 12. So 12 square is 144. So square root of 144, that is equal to 12. Okay, how about this number 4 example? Square root of 256. Okay? So yung 256 po ba, perfect square number? Okay, yes, mula po dito. Ang 256 po ay galing po kapag in-square natin yung 16. So 16 square is equal to 256. So square root of 256, that is equal to 16. Okay, so how about this number 5 example? Ito naman po ngayon, okay? Square root of 9 over 16. Fraction po yung ating given. Okay, square root of 9 over 16. So paano po isi-simplify yan? Notice that 9 at 16 ay perfect square. Okay, ano pong gagawin natin para may simplify natin to? Kapag ganyan po yung fraction na nasa loob, pwede pong paghiwalayin yan. Pwede pong square root of 9 over square root of 16. Okay, pwede po silang maghiwalay. Okay? Now, square root of 9 ay mayroon na pong value because 9 is perfect square. Square root of 9 is 3. At yung sa denominator, square root of 16 is equal to 4. Okay, so the answer is 3 over 4. Check natin. What is 3 square? 9. What is 4 square? 16. So this is correct. Okay? Okay, so how about pag ganito naman po yung given? Still, fraction po yung nandito sa ating loob. Square root of 32 divided by 2. 32 is not perfect square and 2 is also not perfect square. So paano po natin sisimplify since hindi po sila perfect square? Notice here na yung 32 pwede pong i-divide sa 2. Tama po ba? So what is 32 divided by 2? Pwede pong i-simplify yan. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. So ngayon, magiging square root of 16 na po siya. Sinimplify lang po natin yung dito sa loob. Nag-divide lang po tayo. Okay? So now, 16 is a perfect square number. So makukuha po natin yung kanyang square root. So what is square root of 16? That is equal to 4. Because 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Or 4 square is equal to 16. So square root of 16 is equal to 4. Okay, how about this number 7 example? Square root of 1 over 9. So what's your answer? Pwede po ninyong post yung video na ito and try to answer first. Then, pwede po ninyong i-play ulit. So what's our answer? Okay, 1 and 9 are perfect square number. So pwede pong paghiwalayin square root of 1 over square root of 9. So what is square root of 1? That is equal to 1 because 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And square root of 9 is 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the answer is 1/3. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.